Squad, it's your boy Grizzly Money out back with another daggone video, y'all. So today, what I gotta do is, I'm gonna show y'all right now. So if y'all look, hold on, I'm gonna turn the camera around real quick. All right, so if y'all see how clear, my lenses are on my 300. But look at these, they're kind of yellowish. So I'm gonna show y'all how to actually make these clear, just like that again. So they're kind of yellow. I hope it gives it. Let me see if I give. And it look a little. Yeah, they feel a little rough. So I gotta clean this baby. You see the bird poop on me? It's not clean at all. This thing is dirty. Let me show y'all. That's how I'm riding right now. So I'm about to go clean this thing inside and out. Let me show y'all. Don't laugh at me. That's the mud from my tire. I'm about to clean all of that. I need somebody to shampoo this. Yeah, don't laugh at me, y'all. I'm sorry. It's all the truth, man. But yeah, I gotta clean her. I'd never let my car get this dirty, so especially this one. So let me go do that now. Oh yeah, and you see me now, man. Y'all see I got the haircut. Ain't no more talk about my bush, man. So I'm looking back like myself. I don't look homeless. I don't look like I'm on the street anymore. Feeling good about myself again, cause I like to have a nice hair, whatever. It's a haircut, whatever my hairstyle is, man. I like that. But let's go get this thing washed and let's get it clean. Cause she needs this TLC. She's in dire need. And soon I'm not gonna be putting my bike in it. I'm gonna get the little suction cups on top so I can put my bike at the top and it look really cool, you know. So I'm at the gas station about to get gas. My gas is $2.09 because I'm about to get a car wash too. This is why I like my Mazda 3 and I probably would never get rid of it, okay? I'm gonna show y'all real quick. All the things that it's dirty right now. See, it's a lot of things I gotta do, y'all. I gotta fix this bumper. It's messed up because somebody, when they was fixing my drip pan, they pushed the car and then it cracked that. I didn't care about it. I just want to get my car back together. But then somebody hit me right here and I never seen it because I was in DC. But just through the time and stuff like that, the stuff started fading. So we about to make this 300 the best. I mean, I keep saying 300, but this Mazda 3, see, I always got these threes and stuff like that. But we about to make it good again, man. Cause I'm tired of it looking dirty and stuff like that. So we about to go take it over there to the car wash. If you see it, whoa, that thing wilding out. My camera's tripping, y'all. I'm sorry. A new camera's coming. Yeah, so we like I said, we about to get that wash. Get it clean in the inside and out. Take it home, clean the front. What I gotta do? Ugh. So I gotta clean the front, the headlights right here. So once I do that, so it can see nice, cause I'm gonna be driving her more because I'm gonna be doing a lot more work and a lot more traveling and stuff like that. But look at that, look at that. Y'all see that? 21, and it's almost done. Okay, so yeah, 22. That's why I like this car. And well, I put about $40 in it every week because I'm really driving a lot, you know, with this joint back and forth to work when I go to work. So that's why I love her, man. I ain't got to put $50 in it. I save a little bit of money, not that much, but just a little bit. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna clean the inside first, and then I'm gonna go get it. Oh yeah, I need the receipts, so I get the car wash. Gotta pay for it. All right, I got that. All right, everybody, so y'all see me? I'm getting my car washed. This is the only car that I take under here. My Black Beauty, she don't come in here. But Blue Girl, she gonna have to come in here, man. And then the next time y'all see me, y'all gonna see me doing the headlights. It's an easy process. It will take only 30 minutes. You can buy this kit from AutoZone, Advanced Auto, and whatever. Peace. So yeah, I live in a public parking lot, but you see those headlights? All right, so look, I just got it clean. How's she looking? Clean the rims and everything. See, she's shining again, man. She looking good. I got to put the tire shine on everything to make it look glisten and stuff. But let's go ahead. This is so easy. I'm about to set up the camera for you guys. So I'm gonna give y'all the before. It looked kind of clean, but not really. I'm gonna do a quick video. Y'all see the sun is going down. Look how beautiful that sunset is, man. But I still have enough light to do at least one. I'm gonna start with, oh, my little light came on because it was dark. That's pretty cool. Which one is messed up? They look like it's clear, but it's not. I think this one is more, All right, so I'm gonna do this. All right, so if y'all don't know, y'all have to use this two-step cleaning thing. It's so easy. It's super easy. So it's kind of dusty. So what you do, you shake this up. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake. All right, you put a quarter size. Put about a quarter size, or a little bit bigger than a quarter. All right, you see that? About a quarter size. It's a little bit bigger than a quarter. All right. You see I got a little bit in my car. But make sure you take this off when you get it, and you go in circles. Because what you're doing is it's like a sandpaper. I know some people go like this. They told me to go straight, but I seen better effects when I go in circles. All right. All right, so by doing all that scraping, you should get more of like a haze on it. You see it? And I wipe it off to dry it, but then you move on to that one to let this one dry. It's about, somebody riding a dirt bike? Okay. But you let this dry. See, it's the sun is not out, so it's not gonna dry as fast. So, you know, you just want it to be dry. You see it got that haze, that's perfect. And you want it to have a nice smooth texture. It's very smooth. So you just move on to the next one. Like I said, mine's are not that bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this one now. Yeah, so that's pretty much all you have to do. So you see how both of them are gonna be hazy. See how that one's hazy, and it should be extremely smooth to the touch, okay? So it's like a sandpaper that you use. It should be extremely smooth to the touch. And you want to let this cure for about 24 hours, okay? So I'm not going to dry this car for 24 hours, and it's not going to rain until like 48 hours or something like that. And it's going to be really sunny and hot tomorrow. So this is all that you do. So if you plan on, see, I got a lot of plans with my car, and I'm about to do a lot of things with it. So I know my paint is not going to be like this, all right? Hint, hint. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the lights without taping it, without separating anything. So last time I did it, I had this video actually on my YouTube, but I'm just doing it again. I'm just doing a revised one. So I'm going to show you what it does. And if y'all want me to do this again, y'all let me know, man. See, I know some stuff about cars, you know. So this is the Meguiar's headlight kit. And I don't get paid by Meguiar's or something like that, but all I do is use Meguiar's pretty much, okay? Black Beauty, pretty much all her products are Meguiar's. So I'm gonna show y'all this. Look at this. All right, so I'm about to spray the headlight, okay? Let me show you. So I'm about to spray the headlight. I'm not worried about my paint. Some of y'all might be worried about it. Y'all probably got, you see I got the little fog stuff in there, so you just spray it. You see how clear it is now? Yeah. And you got that sit for a little bit. Then you go to this one. It's like magic, bro. It's literally like magic. Like, watch this. Bro, it's like I got new headlights. You see that? And of course, it's not a new car, but got the fog in the inside. So yeah, that's all you have to do. It's only 2 steps. You clean it, you use the little sandpaper thing, make sure it's nice and smooth after you wash it. So you need clean water and a microfiber towel, and you need a dry microfiber. It's best to do it in the sun. Oops. It's best to do it in the sun, but you need a warm day to do it, okay? Or you need a garage. Or you need to know it's not gonna rain. So you better look at your forecast when you're doing this, all right? And then you do a second coat. Let that one sit for a little bit. I give it a few more minutes. Let it sit. No, just a few more seconds and let it sit. All right, so I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna try to see it. Yes, sir. Go to this one. This one's way clear. All I'm gonna do is 2 coats. That's it. Man, that's the end of the daggone video, man. So I'll see y'all on the next video, man. I got some epic content coming on Saturday. I'm not gonna post it on Saturday. I'm gonna post it on Monday for you guys. But I'm about to meet up with another 300, man, and we gonna do some things, bro. We about to hook this journey. It's my boy Junior, so we about to go 300 gang all up, man. And if you got a 300, hit me up if you want to meet us on Saturday. All right, but we got some killer content. And don't forget about the Mazda 3 too. The Mazda 3, her build, she's gonna be so beautiful again. Bro, I love the hatchbacks. I'm a hatchback fan. And I think I would never, ever, ever, ever go without owning a hatchback. Because they're the perfect car. Was it business in the front and party in the back? So business in the front and party in the back. I'm just being stupid, y'all. Don't mess with me. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Simple step.